Hello everyone, welcome to Nelson School Online Education Program, Learn Education System, Grade 7, Subject English Grammar. Today we'll be solving the Fair Book exercise of the chapter Conjunctions. Okay, this is following is the list given to you for the coordinating conjunctions. So you have to write as I've given you I'll be sending you in the notes also. But make sure to write in the same pattern as it is written. Okay. So if I'm coordinating conjunctions, as we have taught you yesterday also that there are two main basic kinds of conjunctions, coordinating and subordinating. So out of that, when coordinating, we have to categorize. That time it is joining, contrast, choice, and reason. So for joining, the conjunctions that are used is and, both and, as well as, no less than, not only, but also. For contrast, we'll use but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, only. Then for choice, we'll use or, either or, neither nor, otherwise else. And for reasoning, we'll be using for, so, and therefore. Now for when using this reasoning, you have to keep in mind that when you're using so and therefore, especially you have to pay attention and bring the reason ahead. Okay. Now next, this is an exercise 1. Join the following using coordinating conjunctions. So children, here you have to use either of the four conjunctions, that is the conjunctions that are used for joining, contrast, choice, or reason. Okay, so you have to, I'll be explaining you what each statement says, and accordingly we can use different alternatives. So it's hurry up, you will be late for the school. So this is giving you condition. If you do not hurry up, you will get late for the school. So but if is a subordinating conjunctions. For coordinating conjunctions, we'll be using hurry up or you will be late for the school. You can write hurry up, otherwise you will be late for the school. Hurry up, else you will be late for the school. Now, we were tired, we continued the work. Children, this statement is showing the contrast. As I have written here, it shows the contrast. You were tired, but despite of being tired, you continued the work. So you have to use some contrast. You can use but, still, yet, nevertheless. Okay, whereas, while, only, everything could be used. So you can write we were tired, nevertheless we continued the work. You can write we were tired, but we continued the work. We were very tired, still we continued the work. Okay. Now he is not lazy, he is not careless. So this is showing that he is not lazy also, he is not careless also. So and the negative stress is being put as I have put. So you can use neither nor as a choice given. So he is neither lazy nor careless. So children, what sketchings what I have done, you have to do same in your fair book. So you can understand each statement properly. Now, number 4, Prem is quite rich, he is not contented. So instead of he is rich but he is not contented, so it's a contrast statement given. So you can use any of the contrast, but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, only. So here you can write Prem is quite rich but he is not contented. Prem is quite rich, still he is not contented. Prem is quite rich, yet he is not contented. Next, attend your lesson, leave the class. So the advice here, it's a option given to you. It's an order, either attend your lesson properly or leave the class. So here the choice given to you with a positive statement. So you'll be using either or. So it's either attend your lesson or leave the class. Okay, you can even use or, attend your lesson or leave the class. Okay, so next is number 6, she will come up in life, she is sincere and hardworking. Now there's a reason given. Why can she come up in life? Because she is sincere and hardworking. So where is the reason here? This is the reason, children. Okay. So you write R on top of that. So this is a reason. As I have told you, for so and therefore the reason should come ahead, but for it is okay. So she will come up in life for she is sincere and hardworking. But if you have to write using therefore and so, that time you have to write she is sincere and hardworking, so she will come up in life. You can even write therefore she is sincere and hardworking, therefore she will come up in life. Now number 7, the train was left late, it was fully packed. So it is your adjoining statement. The train was late also and it was fully packed also. Okay, so you have to use the joining conjunction over here. You can write the train was not only late but also fully packed. Okay, and you can even write as well as the train was late as well as fully packed. The train was both late and fully packed. The train was late and fully packed. Any of the joining conjunctions you can use. I am in difficulty, God can help me. So here you are just showing that no, there is no choice given to you except God. So you will use the conjunction that I use for choice or either or, neither nor, otherwise else. So here you can use only, because you don't have any other option except God. So it's I'm in difficulty and only God can help me. So it's I'm in difficulty, only God can help me. Okay, thank you.